Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make diced tomatoes at home. First, choose about 2 pounds of ripe, firm tomatoes. Wash them thoroughly under cool water. Prepare a pot of boiling water and a bowl of ice water. This setup is crucial for blanching, which makes peeling much simpler. You'll also need a good, sharp knife and a sturdy cutting board for the next steps. Once your water is boiling, carefully place each tomato into the hot water for about 30 to 60 seconds. You'll notice the skin starting to split at the scored X. Immediately transfer them to the ice bath. This sudden temperature change stops the cooking process and loosens the skins, making them incredibly easy to peel by hand. It's a quick and satisfying step. After peeling, cut each tomato in half. Using a spoon, gently scoop out the seeds and watery pulp. You want to remove as much of this as possible to avoid a watery end product. Also, trim away the tough core. Now, lay the tomato halves flat and slice them into strips, then turn and dice them into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch cubes. Your freshly diced tomatoes are now ready to use. For immediate use, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 4 days. If you've made a larger batch, you can easily freeze them. Place the diced tomatoes in freezer-safe bags, removing as much air as possible. They will keep well for several months, perfect for future recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.